Hi everyone, my name is Max. I've been looking at the Verge cryptocurrency for a couple days, and a lot of people are reporting the same issue that I was having with the wallet not connecting to the network. You go on the vergecurrency.com website, you download the wallet, where I'm using Windows 10 here. Once you install it, it's a zip file. You have to extract the files into a folder. So now this is where I've done it myself. Then you launch the wallet with the exe file here. So I'll double click here and you'll see what I mean. So at this point I was able to fix the issue and I have my green ball here. So let's see how I did it. First thing you want to do is to quit the Electrum wallet. Now what I've done, I went online. I looked at the Twitter account for Verge, and I found this post here from December 26. It links to GitHub. They say here, new default Electrum servers. So when you click on that, you get to this page, and you can see that there is some code that changed here. So the green lines are the ones that have been added by the developers. So the file that changed is in the lib folder, and the file name is network.py. So back onto my hard drive, I went back into where I installed or extracted the files for the Verge wallet, scrolled up, found that lib folder, double click, and from here I found the network.py file, which is exactly the file I'm looking for. If you right click on that and you go to open with, you want to open this with Notepad or any kind of text editor. I have Visual Studio Code, but I'll show you with Notepad because that's what most people will have. If you don't have Notepad in the list, just go choose another app. You're gonna have this pop-up, more apps, then scroll until you see Notepad. Maybe it's gonna be down the list here somewhere. Click on OK. Now, this is the file I want to change, and this is what the issue is. When the developers of Verge Wallet first developed it, I guess, they put these 3 servers in, but now they're overwhelmed and they're not working anymore. So that's why you can't get a connection. So I'll put this on the side here and bring up the Git web page where they showed the new lines of code. So as you can see, these are the old lines, which I can leave here, it's no problem. What I want is I want to add these new ones here. So I go on the website, just copy these 3 new lines, right click, copy. I'm going to go back in the network.py file, and I'm just going to go at the end of the 3rd line here, push enter, and paste these new lines. You want to remove the plus and save the file. Now, one thing I forgot here is I forgot to remove the space, and some programming languages are very tricky, so if they see a space, it won't work. So just remove the space, just to be sure, and save. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. Now, what I'll do is I'll just take all of this and I'll copy it into the description of the video so that you can take it from there. Close this, go back to the folder where I installed my Verge wallet, go back up 1 folder, scroll down to the exe file, open that up. Now you see I have the green dot, and sometimes it will become red and back to green. Now if you still have the red dot, click here once on the red dot, and then make sure you have the auto connect on. Check that, and what's going to happen is the software will look at the list and it will connect to whichever server works best. Press OK, be patient, and this will be green. You'll see your balance. Have fun, guys. I hope this was useful, and if it still doesn't work, check your firewall rules. Maybe there's something wrong there. Alright, so I hope you have fun with the Verge currency, and I hope it goes to the moon.